Shagamu Ogun State people, make una gather here because this one, in fact, this one is all round. Now they call this kind of matter. My people, they catch one big python dead. Una know wetin kill am? They say the python go swallow goat wey dey pregnant. I don't know whether because now many people don't they talk. Some say na abomination. Some say na in fact everybody they bring their own thing. My people, if una see wetin I dey see, hey, Chineke, na so they start dey tear the python, they tear. I never see where they tear snake before. I don't go lie give una na my first time. Oh my body they do me goosebumps. Yeah, I say I go bring a corner side. Ogun State people, make una gather because una don't get too much fish and meat. Snake and meat have been a fish. Anyhow, I bring a corner side because join me, make we watch the video.
A lot of mercy.
Light out. Camera. I said this goat is not small.
Give me knife. Give me good knife.
Like the goat look even small.
That's not a good knife. I can't lie.
Father.
Shaki Connie.
This one can swallow him.
Mommy.
Otobio.
You believe for the biggest until when they open it.
Like it doesn't look good. Yeah, lakonle.
We need to pay like koko gbe kúrò. Ẹ máa yọ kíni ẹ látẹ̀yìn kíni fún ẹ nìyẹn.
Una see am? I don't know say real python even exist. Like you know say all these things where I dey tell on my mind make una no laugh. All this while na only for movies I dey see am. I never see am before with my koro eye like this. Meaning say there is trouble. There is serious trouble. This one now they krukere for all the streets like that. Imagine if this guy python now catch 1 year or 2 years old baby. Now bye story be that. Bam. When I hear this matter, I can't wonder. May not just be waiting at the thing. How many of una remember say I don't even know. They say python he swallow a be a thief 36 million naira. I hope so no be this python. Because up to today, we dey find that money. We see they say na python. So we dey find the python, make the python come confess. But now I don't know how this one won't confess as the dog killer. This was our only hope. 36 million naira. How we won't know now? You don't go. Then be saying nah. Ogun State people now get meat. And after when I even chop that meat finish, they say the skin they use and do handbag, and all those designer things. Come on, this python greedy you. You swallow goat, we get another goat inside your own stomach. No, what be the difference on this one and our government? Greedy. Yes. They never dey satisfied. You know if you just Salah don't set for these people. Salah. I beg make una keep my meat oh. I beg Ogun State people. And they show up straight. No even try that one. Salah don't set. Now pepper remain. Ngwanu as I dey come, I dey bring my pepper. Yes. Now like this, my people, our politicians they swallow all our money. Like this. But the only problem now be say we no get who go tear their stomach. Who go volunteer? Are you brave enough? Come and apply. Bring your CV. Ogun State people because make una no forget to keep my meat for me and they come there live and direct. No even try that one. Yes, my people, na the matter be this life. Ogun State, una don't see her and una don't hear her. Waiting una gas talk concerning this one. And I beg, I get one question to ask. A snake swallow that goat. They fit still chop that goat. Abi e dey poisonous because I know I dey try understand for all of una wey know about this one. Abeg start dey drop the comment for that side so that I go know. We dey learn every day. Very very important. Don't forget to share this video. Make everybody know wetin don happen for Ogun State. And don't forget also to click on that bell so that you no go miss anything wey we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. They don't catch Ole Buruku. Yes, they catch a red-handed my people on a Sunday. They say now Sunday this guy go. He say the good thing. We don't know whether he just rent house because the things way they catch am with my people. I don't know whether he just rent house or way they renovate. I be just they move in and it happen live for Delta State. They say he break inside person house. Person go church. As the person, una see how God dey work. Person dey church. Now they call this. Now he goes, he break inside the person house. So he carry bed. If una see, abeg start dey put bed and generator. Now as they catch up, they put the bed for a may pose. They snap a picture. Carry the generator, pose. They snap a picture. Now so you just dengue the post. Now so they just carry and boom. They say, Madam Apoko, oh yeah, do your work. And I don't come do my work. Now I don't know whether my people I don't even know how I want started. They even explain this matter like this. It be like chairman, lie down on top stolen bed. I been waiting to work on this one now. Household thief. Because the things where thief now for house. So how we want to start it? Maybe just true. Maybe just rent house. If it be, he just rent house. We don't get money. I be mama, baba don't marry girl. We put for house. Like I dey try. All these small boys, where they no go just relax, wait for their time. Maybe this one still suppose they in papa house. But don't rush ahead of time. Say you no fit take care of yourself now. You they go. I don't just understand. Like I know just una no go wait for una time. Small baby we go start they grow for your this thing. I'm not a big boy. I'm not a big boy. Small hair we don't they grow that you armpit. You go feel say you don't grow past everybody. No, it remain gas cooker and fridge. Why you no go? No. I just the one. My people now they see this size of bed. How this guy been the plan carry this thing only him, and then the generator attached to it. I just the wonder. I be plan to carry a one by one. I be only him. Oh. No, be if they be two now we for say okay maybe they fit find way. Waiting this world just the turn inside. Waiting this world just the turn inside. I don't feel stop the look up. Even get 6 packs. Like they go gym. Like I beg all of una when no say una catch this boy snapper like this, una do well. You people you have done well, you have satisfied our yes, so now like this you suppose that they do am. But I beg make una no forget. As soon as they catch this one, I beg no forget to snap the thieves where they wear agbada. Una no, I don't need mention name. All those ones hey, una know them. Don't forget to they catch them, all of them. Start they catch them and make sure say you snap them like this too. No, the law is the law. We are all human beings. We are all equal. You understand? The only difference is some people get money past other people. But see, this thing, not the same thing. We all get them. You understand? So I beg as soon as they catch this one, remember to catch the other ones too. Snap them, full name, if I address if possible. Very, very important. And those ones, when I not say no be generator, when I go catch them with now block. May they hold the blocks like this money. You understand? Snap them too. We need to see. Very, very important. My people. I don't know whether na police this one they go. I be they go forgive them because some people now they don't they talk say I bet me they just give her now since na house things. Thief is thief. Whether you steal tomato, whether you steal pepper, whether you steal bed, generator, money, thief is a thief. Anything where you take without person consent, now stealing be that. Very, very important. So I beg, una don't hear the matter be this. State from Delta State. My Delta people, make una well done. Now the matter be this. I beg anything where you guys talk concerning this matter, if you know the person. I don't know how I go do a boy. Be like say you need help. Whether I go bail am, but just say make her bring her straight to her. Yes, now the matter be this. I still want to know what you think concerning this matter. Drop her for that comment section. And yes, how many of you remember say una go get new person for this place? I no come ask una make una guess again because I don't notice say many of una know they get up. I don't make the tea easier now. Una go get am live here. The person where they talk about on Friday, this very Friday. So make una just stay tuned and make sure say you click on that notification bell. If not, you go dey miss interesting matters like this one. Share this video. Don't forget so that everybody go know wetin dey happen for Delta State. Stay tuned for our next story.